The Indian cricket team is entering a new era with Jasprit Bumrah and Ravindra Jadeja stepping into crucial roles. Recent performances against Afghanistan and Zimbabwe highlight their readiness for the ICC Champions Trophy 2025, setting high expectations for the future. Virat Kohli is under fire after a confrontation with a journalist at Melbourne Airport. He argued against filming his family, leading to accusations of bullying from reporter Tony Jones. Kohli's request for privacy clashes with media practices in Australia. In a recent discussion, Australian cricketers shared their views on BCCI, ICC, and Indian cricket. Pat Cummins called BCCI the powerhouse, while Steve Smith referred to the ICC as a joke. The ongoing Test series stands at 1-1, with the fourth Test set for 26 December. South African-born batter Bevan Jacobs has been named in New Zealand's T20 squad for their series against Sri Lanka. At just 22, Jacobs, a promising finisher, was recently picked by Mumbai Indians in the IPL, showcasing his power and technique. The Pakistan Cricket Board has confirmed the UAE as the neutral venue for India's matches in the 2025 Champions Trophy. This decision follows India's refusal to travel to Pakistan due to security concerns. The ICC will announce the tournament schedule soon. Pakistan has achieved a remarkable 3-0 clean sweep over South Africa in their ODI series, winning the final match by 36 runs. Saeem Ayub's century propelled the team to victory, securing their fifth consecutive bilateral ODI series win ahead of the upcoming Champions Trophy. India's Akashdeep shone in the third Test against Australia, drawing praise from Steve Smith. The pacer, who debuted earlier this year, credited Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli for their guidance. Despite not taking wickets, he remained focused on his bowling strategy and discipline. Ravi Shastri has called on India captain Rohit Sharma to adopt a more aggressive approach in the upcoming tests against Australia. Despite a challenging series, Shastri believes Rohit can excel at No. 6 by focusing on attacking the opposition. KL Rahul stands out as India's top performer in the ongoing Border Gavaskar Trophy, amassing 235 runs in 3 tests. With 250s under his belt, he aims for a historic third 100 during the Boxing Day Test at the MCG, marking his 10th anniversary in international cricket. In the ongoing Border Gavaskar Trophy, Sanjay Bangar claims Australia will struggle if Indian batters post a strong first innings at the Melbourne Cricket Ground. With the series tied at 1-1, India seeks to retain the trophy in the upcoming Boxing Day Test.